Panar.
Hello, good morning. Kamusta po kayo lahat? Nawa ay okay kayo lahat, no? Salamat po.
Good day everyone, this is Coach Arnold Rodriguez, Petropang Ligaya. Asabas.
Good morning, happy Monday morning, it's coffee time.
New man in the black. Sir William, bati rin.
Hello, good morning ho. Okay.
Direct.
Magandang umaga po sa inyo, ingat po lagi. Good morning, magandang umagang Lunes, magandang.
Have wonderful time everyone.
Okay.
See you. Thanks.